In this episode, advice columnist Willy will answer 3 random subscriber-submitted questions.
Spin the wheel.
Willy, a female subscriber writes, I heard you're spiteful. What's the most dramatic thing you've done out of spite?
I once urinated on a friend's leg and told him it was raining. That idiot believes me.
Willy, a male subscriber asked, is computer engineering a good choice of degree in India?
Sure. Why not? Seems like lots of US businesses are there. You sound like that idiot that used to be a hockey puck salesman.
You nailed it. It's him.
And lastly, another female subscriber writes, when I'm alone or with a close friend, I have no problem with my confidence. But when I'm in a social situation, I start comparing myself to others and I feel inadequate. Any advice?
You should not rely on a feeling of confidence that comes from others unless it's from me. Now tell the truth. Are you really stronger, better or sexier than your friends?
Don't answer that. Willy is a stalker.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
So folks, that's it for today. Don't forget to send us your questions for Ask Willy. Give our video a thumbs up. Subscribe and remember, success is getting what you want, but happiness is wanting what you get.
The Honeymooners was recorded live in front of an imaginary studio audience.